Kwadhi Meru ayudo ni kaluwore gi chik mane doho ogolo mar siro thicho oko e apisi gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza ikruok koro chakre e alap ma Mwendantu e boma ma Meru kama jadolo Isaac Mutuma igeno ni chamo muma kaka gavana mar ang'wen ma kaunti ma Meru. Komiti motelo timo ikruok ma kamano notimo limbe alap ma no kama bende arita bende oseridie kawelo modhial ma igeno bende oselos listi margi. Jotelo maya e kaunti no nyiso yie margi ni Reverend Isaac Mutuma biro riwo wi oganda ma Meru kendo duogo luor mano oselal e kaunti ma Meru.
Tunatarajia wageni wengi kutoka nje ya kaunti ya Meru ili waweze kuja kushuhudia siku hii muhimu, kwa sababu kwa kweli wa Meru wameteseka sana for the last 2 years. And na kama vile mmeona after court imetoa hii ruling, kumekuwa na celebrations all over, watu wamefurahi sana na tunatarajia watu in thousands. Now we are prepared, tunawakaribisha, tuko na capacity ya kutosha ya kuwa host hapa kesho, tuko na tents za kutosha, kila kitu iko hapa ya kutosha na security hapa iko tight.
We also expect the former governor, whom we thank so much for the work he's done for Meru. We expect then her to hand over the trampings of power to the incoming governor so that the Meru county can run even better, even with the peace and development can be seen by the people. And as you can see behind me, even the effort there is from the youth, from the churches, from the assembly, already it talks it all. And behind there, already there's tractors already working, even before the governor is sworn in.